Okay, what's up YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at a case for the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 12 Pro, the 6.1 inch. This is the ESR protective case. Let's go ahead and get started and take a look at it. Okay, this is the ESR Air Armor case compatible with the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro. Now, this is good drop protection, shock absorption, corners, hard PC Flexible TPU Frame. All right, this is the transparent blue version right here. Okay, and they have three different colors. You got a clear version and you got a frosted black version. All right, the clear version $10.99, frosted black $9.51, and the blue is $9.51. So $10 or less. All right, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get it. Okay, let's pull this out of the box. Not much on the box there. Superior protection, precision design, perfect fit. All right. And let's get this plastic off. Okay, so got it out of the box. You got some instructions here for the case, and the case is inside this little wrapper right here. Let's go ahead and pull this out. I got this wrapped up fairly tight as well. Okay, let's get this stuff to the side. You don't need that. All right, so here's your case right here. This is the transparent blues. It looks black, but it's got a little blue tint to it. Nice feature there. You got a nice finished area for your camera, and bolstered corners right there. So you're gonna have protection. See how it looks from the front right there. ESR makes good cases. Then you got your power button right there, charging port, speaker openings, your volume down rocker, and your mute switch, and you got a lanyard holder right there. Okay, I don't really see any branding. Well, there's some branding right there from ESR right there. Okay, ESR branding right there. Okay, but it doesn't feel too thick, but I think it's going to give you some decent protection. Maybe waist high protection. You get that from this case right here for the iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro. Now let's go ahead and get the device, put it inside, and see what it looks like. Okay, so here's the iPhone 12 right here. Let's go ahead and put this inside. Now it fits nice. It's nice and slim. Doesn't have much bulk, but you can see the Apple logo on the back. Is clear back right there. You got that nice finished area right there for the camera. It's going to be well protected, and your button and everything works no problem there. Your charging ports line up, and your speakers as well. But it looks good. Now let's see the front. Now the front is fairly slim, okay? Not a whole lot of lip on the front, at least based on what this shows right here. So you're gonna have to be careful with that, all right? Because it's pretty slim, but I like it. You probably gonna wanna put a screen protector on this when you use this, if you're concerned about the front of the phone. But it's fairly slim, and but it's gonna give you some good protection from minor drops and scratches, okay? Wireless charge will work. ESR, I've used them before, so wireless charge will work with this case. Now that was a quick look at the ESR protective case for the iPhone 12 and iPhone 12 Pro, the 6.1 inch. Now, if you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.